Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dynamic velocity edit with the newest velocity effect on CapCut. So here, what you need to prepare is just a clip and also the music. Okay, I've already prepared both, and what you need to do next is just click on the clip and go to Style. And in here click on the velocity category. So there are 5 options that you can choose. The flash one is a free one, so if you are on the free CapCut you can just use this flash. And there is also blur, shake, fade, blur, retro zoom, and rainbow. But in this case I'm going to use the fade blur velocity, and just wait until CapCut first detecting the music, and after that it will generate the velocity effect to your clips. Just wait until it finishes. Okay, so now the velocity has been applied to my clips, and my clip will now look like this. Now the velocity is more dynamic rather than the old velocity edit on the CapCut apps. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.